Hi, I'm Rob Peake from Motorboat and Yachting magazine, and welcome to the Aquanaut Global Voyager 17 metre. I'm sure you'll agree those running shots make the boat look pretty special. Here we are inside to take a look at the saloon. It's a real liveaboard machine this, so consequently there's tons of seating, dining and cooking space, all very well laid out and put together. Big windows, loads of light coming in, lovely space to hang out. One of my favourite features is this passenger seat, links the helm and the rest of the boat. Watch your headroom there, but once you're in, very comfortable. Watch the world go by. Take a look at the helm. Nice comfortable helm seat, lovely wheel within easy reach. We've got twin Perkins 225s doing about 11 knots top. Bow and stern thrusters, it's all nicely laid out. I'm not so sure about the visibility on some of these dials here, but it's okay. What I really like is this space here for a chart with these fat fiddles. It just shows you it's a real ship. These beautifully crafted but quite steep steps lead down to the sleeping accommodation. 4 cabins, 1 ensuite, the other 3 share this very spacious loo and shower space. It's worth coming down to take a look at one of the cabins actually, because they're pretty special. Remember, outside you got about 5 to 6 mil of solid steel. In here, beautiful wood of your choice. Everything here is bespoke. It's not really a living space, but it's a really nice, warm, cosy sleeping space. Very quiet. We're doing about 7 knots at the moment. You can barely hear the engines. And a lovely view out the window. And at the back of the boat we've got this hydraulic bathing platform which adds on about 1.20 meters of the overall length. Perfect for launching your PWC or your mother-in-law.